first time I saw you, you were talking. People paid attention when you spoke. But more than your words, goodness was what I heard, shining like a galaxy, solid as an oak. Oh, the reasons I loved you that day. Oh, the reasons I chose to stay. Oh, the reasons I traveled so far, pale before the knowledge of what you truly are. You have my heart. You get my time. You have a big piece of my faith. You are a diamond mine. You are a diamond mine. It's decades now we've been together, and in the good, pain has been interspersed. But I'm not keeping score. With you I'm never bored. More than love and laughter, you expand my universe. Seeker of truth, believer in none, sharper than a laser, childlike in fun. After all these years together, who'd think it was true? But I'm falling in love in a brand new way with you. You have my heart. You get my time. You have a big piece of my faith. You are a diamond mine. You are a diamond.